At first glance, it looks like just another droplet of life floating in the microcosm. But Tetrahymena is no ordinary microorganism. This tiny ciliate holds secrets that have revolutionized our understanding of life, DNA, and aging. So much so that it became the hero of one of biology's most important discoveries. And while it never stepped onto the stage itself, it was the key to a Nobel Prize. But what makes this microscopic organism so extraordinary? Tetrahymena's uniqueness starts with its anatomy. Like all ciliates, it has two nuclei. Yes, two. The first, the macronucleus, acts as a multitasking manager. It oversees respiration, movement, digestion, all the daily functions that keep the cell alive. The second, the micronucleus, is much smaller, but serves as a genetic archive, storing information crucial for reproduction and gene exchange. Would one brain be enough to handle everything in your body? Tetrahymena shows us how dividing responsibilities can be incredibly efficient. In 2009, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Elizabeth Blackburn, Carol Greider, and Jack Szostak. Their groundbreaking research revealed how our cells protect their DNA during division, all thanks to tiny structures at the ends of DNA strands called telomeres. Telomeres act like protective caps on the ends of shoelaces, preventing the DNA from fraying or unraveling. But with every cell division, these caps get shorter, eventually leading to cellular aging, and ultimately, the aging of our bodies. Tetrahymena holds the key in the form of an enzyme called telomerase, which can repair these caps. This discovery opened up new possibilities in the fight against aging and diseases like cancer. Have you ever imagined that something so small could have such a massive impact on our future? One of the most fascinating features of Tetrahymena is its cilia, tiny hair-like structures covering its body. These cilia allow it to move gracefully through water, changing directions fluidly, like a ballerina on a microscopic stage. Cilia act as oars, not only propelling the cell but also helping it capture food. Tetrahymena uses its cilia to create tiny water currents, drawing particles like yeast toward its oral groove. You could say that cilia function as both limbs and sensory organs, combining precision movement and detection in a way that's unmatched. Are your pets just as efficient when it comes to finding food? Let us know in the comments. In a single drop of water, there can be more microorganisms than there are humans on Earth. Billions of bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and other life forms create a microcosm of unimaginable diversity. Tetrahymena is just one of these countless creatures, reminding us of the hidden richness of life in places we often overlook. If you could shrink yourself down to explore this invisible world, would you take the chance? Even though Tetrahymena has no brain, its ability to respond to stimuli is astonishing. It reacts to environmental changes, avoids obstacles, and moves toward food, as if guided by an unseen plan. Can we call this consciousness? What do you think? Does simplicity in organisms rule out the possibility of awareness, or does it hint at something more profound? When we observe Tetrahymena in groups, it looks like a crowd, thousands of organisms moving chaotically, yet with their own rhythm. But is this a community? Tetrahymena doesn't collaborate, form hierarchies, or build structures like human societies. Yet its presence in groups suggests that even in the microscopic world, there's something that mirrors our own experiences: chaos, harmony, and the relentless drive to survive. What do you think? Could this microscopic world teach us something about our own society? Tetrahymena proves that the smallest inhabitants of our planet can have the greatest impact on our lives. Could there be any greater inspiration than an organism that helped us understand aging and protect our genes? If you're fascinated by stories like this, subscribe to our channel to explore more secrets of the microcosm together. Because in every drop of water, there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered.